Luna Classic holders, what's happening? We are live with the burn tax, and we're going to jump into, in this video, we're going to jump into a website that basically is looking at the top burning entities and wallets and tracking everything for us. And it's pretty surprising to see what the Lunatics token has already done. But of course, Mexi Global has been a huge contributor. Binance users, KuCoin users, Luna Classic DAO, they're all here, including the 1.2% burn tax that obviously just went live, but I think it's going to be ramped up here quite a bit over the next couple weeks. And I'm going to take you inside here and check it out. Right before we jump in here, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe here, and it's great to see the overall market hanging in there after the big Fed meeting here today, at least thus far. We're not seeing a sell-off. We're actually up a little bit, a little green in the crypto market, which is good to see. Now, we'll take you inside luncpenguins.com, and we could see here, if we go to our regular dashboard, here's what we've got here so far, okay? So we've got the validator node coming as well, okay? In 35 days, we're expected to get that on October 26th, 35 days away. We can see here what the total supply looks like, still sitting at 6.9 trillion USTC, sitting here at 9.8 billion. And of course, these are important numbers to always watch. But if we look at burned by tax, here we go. Over 46 million tokens burned by tax already. And for USTC, 124,000 burned already. And if we take a look also at some of these top burners, this is what I was talking about earlier. Check this out. This is really neat. And I'm really curious to see what happens here with the 1.2% burn tax. Right now, it's ranked number 7. Of course, Lunatics tokens up top here. Mexi Exchange, Luna Classic DAO, Binance users, KuCoin users, Giannis, and then 1.2% burn tax is right here among some others who are helping burn Luna Classic right now. But already you could see, the burn tax itself is quickly running up here, the list. And I think it'll be over the KuCoin users maybe by the end of today. We could be in the 5th spot here just with that 1.2% burn tax. Of course, a lot of things still happening. We're going to see if we can get both on-chain and off-chain transactions, right? If we can get in spot and margin trading with Binance and some of these larger exchanges where a lot of the Luna Classic token is held, man, that could be really, really big and really accelerate the amount we could burn in a short amount of time. It'll be interesting to watch this pie chart over time. Right now, the Lunatics token makes up about 50% of all the tokens that have been burned thus far. I do think, though, Mexi also a big chunk there. There's the DAO, and then Binance users, KuCoin users, Giannis, and then here's the 1.2% tax burn, this small little sliver. This will get much, much larger over time. Right now, when we look at the overall market, as I mentioned, we're going to take a look at Luna Classic here in just a sec. It's pretty flat right now. We're slightly in the green, 0.27% up. Take a look at Terra Classic here, sitting at the 288 level. If we look at the chart, this is the 1 hour. A lot of consolidation happening. Even when we zoom out and go to the 1 day, same thing here. Okay. Of course, after setting some new highs way up here near the 6th spot, look at all that sideways trading action. I like it. That is comfortable. For me, that is good to see, actually. I like the sideways movement, and I think we're gearing up for the next big breakout here very, very soon. All we need is a couple big catalysts to come through. Maybe some other major exchanges say that, yes, they're going to do the on-chain and off-chain transactions. I think that could help us, really move forward here quickly. From a technical perspective, when we look at this, we're pretty neutral across the board here on oscillators and moving average. We have fallen below the 10 and 20-day simple moving averages. We are signaling a sell on the short term, 10 and 20-day. When we do look at the 30, 50, 100, still showing a buy. Okay, that's just because what's happened here in the last week or 10 days or so with the little bit of a sell-off here. But really last 2 weeks, since September 8th is when we started kind of retracing back down. Now, Luna Classic here today is down about 6% at the time of this recording, still up 216% in the month, still up over 400% in the last 3 months. And now that the burn is live, we'll be tracking this a lot closer for you. And, we'll see what's next with Luna Classic. Bringing you up to speed, always on the latest news and information with Luna. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.